our emotional self is connected to our physical self, is connected to our spiritual self. When you get angry, it's an emotion. But do people not go red sometimes? You see the physical effect of the emotional pressure, right? So don't say I'll be physically distracted but spiritually I won't. No, we all connected. And that is why the fuqaha said, لا يقضي القاضي وهو غضبان, that the judge should not rule when he's angry, because that anger is emotional, is going to affect his physical, his ability to contemplate this case. And then the scholars through analogy said also, لا يقضي القاضي وهو جوعان, that the judge should not rule when he's hungry, because a hungry man is an angry man, right? Right? And then they said also the judge mustn't rule when he's desperate for the bathroom. All these rules, the Sharia doesn't allow you to pass them. Subhanallah. Teaching us that there's a connection between the physical self, the emotional self, and the spiritual self. So don't say, khalas, all this, it's okay, I'm start my prayer. The khushu is in the heart, my heart. No, once your eye is distracted, it's going to affect your heart. Once your mind is distracted, it's going to affect your heart. So prepare your environment.